Are you overwhelmed by the complexity of data analysis? Let's face it, preparing reports manually is a drag. It's time-consuming, error-prone, and a costly barrier to efficiency, often leading to delays, inaccuracies, and missed opportunities. Imagine Aiwozo as your personal data assistant. It automates the tedious tasks, from data collection to updating it in any ERP system to report generation. It's like having a super smart colleague working for you 24/7. It automatically grabs data from source systems, performs record-by-record mapping, cleans it up, and even turns it into fancy infographics that you can actually understand and make informed decisions. Need some deeper insights? Aiwozo can help with that too, using its smart tools to find patterns and trends in your data. With Aiwozo, you can reduce manual effort by up to 70%, improve accuracy by eliminating human errors, generate reports in minutes instead of hours. With advanced analytics and visualization, gain deeper insights. Aiwozo helps you overcome data barriers by automating the tedious tasks, providing your team with the much-needed time to focus on strategic initiatives. Like to learn more about how Aiwozo can help? Visit our website or message us to schedule a demo now.